This is a demo on how AirMedia Sender app on MacBook Pro connects with AirMedia device and how do we start presentation from MacBook Pro. So here we see that AM300 device is discovered, which is in the same network. So we'll just go ahead and connect. This is the AM300 device that is connected to the display. So the password is 4 ones. So we'll just enter the password. So we get the instruction here how to connect to the AirMedia device from AirPlay. So we'll just go ahead and connect to AirPlay. This is AirPlay. So AM300 device is discovered in AirPlay through the app. So here what we can see is if we click on OK, it just takes to connected private. Here through this app we are connected to Canvas controls, and the presentation doesn't happen through AirMedia Sender app, but we'll be able to see the all the devices that are connected to AirMedia device, and we'll be able to control few devices through the Sender app. So here the session control is now disabled. Once we connect to the AirMedia device through AirPlay, the session control should get enabled. So we'll just go ahead and connect. It's asking for password. So we can see session control is enabled over here, and we can see the presentation has been started. So here we'll just navigate to the session control. We'll be able here if we see the dock state is disabled, so the dock feature is still, docking and undocking is still not completely developed for MacBook Sender application, Mac Sender application, or iOS Sender application. So we'll not be able to dock and undock presentations of Mac Sender app and iOS Sender app. We'll be able to just mute and unmute the volume, and see if you want to disconnect, we'll be able to use this disconnect button. Once we click on disconnect, the presentation gets disconnected. So the same way we'll see how it works with iOS Sender app. So here we can see the iOS Sender app has discovered AM300 device. So we'll just enter the passcode. So here again we'll see the instructions on how to connect it through the AirPlay. So here we can see the presentation from iOS has already started, and if we click OK, we'll be able to see here dock feature is disabled. We'll not be able to dock and undock the presentation since the feature is not available on iOS and Mac Sender apps. So if we navigate to session controls, we'll be able to see all the features here. The dock feature is unavailable still. Full screen is disabled. We'll not be able to full screen the iOS now. So here we'll be able to mute and unmute the volume, and this is the disconnect button. Say we shall try to connect through Mac Sender app now. So I'll just go ahead and connect through AirPlay. So we can see here iOS and Mac presentation has started both together. If you see here the Mac, this is the Mac presentation, this is the iOS presentation, and we can just navigate to session control on Mac Sender app, and here this is the Mac presentation and this is the iOS presentation. So here we'll be able to just will not be able to dock or undock any presentation related to Mac or iOS. Only Windows and Android presentations can be docked and undocked as on now. So for example, if you want to stop the presentation of iOS, we can just go ahead and click disconnect from Mac Sender app itself. So I'm just clicking disconnect. So the presentation disconnected. Now we are able to see only Mac OS presentation is in progress, and on iOS device also we will be able to see only Mac device presentation. If we reconnect through AirPlay, so if we reconnect through AirPlay again, we'll be able to see the two presentations coming up, and the two devices are visible here on both Mac Sender app and iOS Sender app. Now if we want, we can disconnect the Mac OS Sender presentation from iOS device. So just clicking on disconnect, the presentation stopped for Mac Sender app.